This gas station lighting be hitting, no cap. Man. Little Friday night action. Got some people pulling up, bumping.
Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're about to pull up to a meet. It should be basically chill. I'm putting air quotes around chill because it's 50-50 if it's gonna be straight chaos or just a park and chill. So we'll find out. Something sounds good over there. I'm gonna turn on the GoPro as we're pulling up, and then I'm gonna obviously walk around and show you guys the cars that are there and the cars that are pulling up, man. So if you guys enjoy the content, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn those post notifications. Let's get right into it. I think we're about to pull up. Oh yeah, we're about to pull up. I see a bunch of cars in front of me right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, people are already revving like crazy.
Car park for your destination.
Yeah, they revving like crazy and shit, for sure. I don't know where I'm gonna park up at though. Honestly, shit like this, I really would build a truck like that. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know. That's just like my guilty pleasure. Like, I really would build a truck like that. I don't know where I'm gonna park up. I feel like I need to park up like somewhere in the back, no cap, just because I don't gotta reverse. So parking up in the back would probably be the smartest idea. No bullshit. We'll see though. Like, definitely parking up somewhere like. Yeah, but I definitely would build a truck like this for sure. I can check out that 86 and that Mustang. C6. Cap. I'd definitely take a Miata and throw like an LS7 in it. That'd be sick. This is the Mustang right here. This is the color. I think this is it. It might be a little bit darker, but this is the shit that I'm talking about. Yeah, if I get an S550, it'll be in this color for sure. I'm pretty sure that's the color. Like, it's very clean 6 gen. That shit's clean.
why you never buy a VQ from Houston. Never. Drag setup. Here comes the VQ boys again. Mixing the drag setup. I don't know, dude. That shit is like so lame to me. It's just like, we get it. Shit, boosted 350. You don't see him revving it. This shit's actually probably incredibly quick. That's fucking clean. Whew, that's clean. It's like the only new edge I've seen too. Fucking C5s too. Gen 1. Hell yeah. That's a crazy ass rap. I fuck with it though. Ooh. You ain't sneaky. To a second location right now. There's actually two fucking clean new edge Mustangs, 2 valves behind me, which is pretty cool because you don't see 2 valves out here in Houston at all. Had to give them a slight pull. I think there's a cop like behind us low key, like a little bit further back, so I ain't gonna go too crazy. That shit's pretty badass. Miatas are clean too. I don't know, these Miatas are fucking, they're bobbing. They got 3 clean Miatas that are like mint. That's fucking sick, because you don't see clean Miatas. Hope you guys can see this like good with the GoPro angle, but these Miatas that are like in front of me right now, like you got one here, got one next to me. These Miatas are fucking badass. I give huge props to people who have clean, well-kept Miatas, because you don't see that. I think we're about to pull up right now. Those Miatas are dope though. Got a red one. We got a white one right here. These fucking Miatas are badass. I've always wanted a Miata. I'd throw an LS7 in one so quick. Thank you, yours is too. Cool, looks mint. What's up? What up? Honestly, bro, I have no idea. I get on the dyno. Yeah, I put it on the dyno next week.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Or you just
butt dynoing right now?
Yeah.
That's sick, bro.
Thank you. That's what's up. What I'm saying, bro, Miata owners are fucking dope. Yeah, we finna pull up relatively soon. I'm just cruising. Those Miatas are fucking badass, but I'm not gonna get over that. Cause like, cause coming from a BRZ, I mean, we're kind of like the same community, but the Miata owners are always like hella chill, man. I hear you scraping everywhere, bro.
Yeah. That was clean, bro.
Thank you.
God damn. Hey, you going to the next spot?
Yeah.
Right,
We kind of went the wrong way and shit.
Oh, you saw the GPS, we're like, what the fuck?
Yeah, we were supposed to turn the left when we left out of there, but oh well.
Hey, we gonna park next to you.
Alright, for sure. Good, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Woo! That hoe sounds hella good.
Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's nice to see some 2 valves out. That's literally the most amount of 2 valves I've seen out at one time since I moved here to Houston. And honestly, since I even got the car back in Illinois. You don't really see these cars out. I didn't record too much at the second location because obviously the cops came, shut down the first spot, and once that happens, the night's pretty much over. So I just cruised up, talked for a little bit, and then went home. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.